Hey folks, Wayne here at the Ram Man. Ink, don't forget the ink. So here we go. We got a Hemi booster sent in by one of our clients. It's in really good shape. We've tore it down. So what all are we going to replace? What's going to be our parts list in this thing? Okay, so we have diaphragm number 1, quite unique. Diaphragm number 2. Where are you going to get those? You damn sure ain't going to make them either. You see them special lips on there? Center plate, hub seal. Rear can seal. Front seal. Center plate seal. Undersize. Rod keeper. Poppet valve. Poppet valve. Check valve. Check valve rubber. That's what we got to put in a tandem Bendix booster. You got to know how to do it, how to get it apart, that damn crimp, get it all apart, get it cleaned up, locate the correct parts which are unavailable to individuals. Nobody wants to be involved in the liability of people redoing their own boosters. They're just not really interested in selling a couple of kits a year for that profit. So that's why there ain't no booster rebuild kits out there to speak of. So there's your parts. We got to replace these and get his stuff back together. Next time, maybe we'll show putting it together. God bless you. God bless America. And happy Moparing.